Hi everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Practice. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to improve your English listening skills.
Listening is the foundation of communication. Whether you're watching a movie, joining a meeting, or chatting with friends, good listening skills make a huge difference.
That's right. So let's break it down. We'll explore why listening matters, the challenges learners face, strategies that really work, and how to stay motivated along the way.
English is the most widely spoken language around the world. That makes listening skills not just useful but essential.
Absolutely. Good listening helps you understand conversations better, boosts your fluency, and builds your confidence when speaking English.
Plus, think about how much content you can access. YouTube videos, podcasts, music, movies. All of that becomes easier to enjoy and learn from with strong listening skills.
Now let's talk about the challenges. If you're struggling to understand fast speech or different accents, don't worry, you're not alone.
A lot of learners also get stuck when they hear new words or slang. The first step is to identify what trips you up. Is it speed? Vocabulary? Background noise?
Exactly. And set realistic goals. Maybe you want to understand 70% of a news podcast. That's a great place to start.
Also, try to remove distractions when you're practicing. Find a quiet space and focus completely on the audio.
Let's get into the practical stuff. One of the best techniques is active listening.
Right, don't just play something in the background. Pay attention. Take notes. Pause and repeat if needed.
Another trick is predictive listening. Use the context, like images, or the situation, to guess what might come next. That prepares your brain to understand more.
And don't be afraid to repeat. Listen to the same clip several times. Start with subtitles if you need, then try without.
There are tons of great tools out there. Try podcasts or audiobooks that match your interests. Start simple and work your way up.
You can also use apps and websites with interactive exercises. They give feedback, which is really helpful.
And here's a big tip: join English learning communities. Talk with native speakers or fellow learners. Real conversations are gold.
Even platforms like Discord or online meetups can give you that daily listening practice.
Consistency is key. Try to make listening part of your everyday life.
Exactly. Listen to English while commuting, cooking, or walking. Choose a variety of content. Movies, interviews, songs, news. Different accents and topics keep it fresh.
And don't forget to celebrate your wins. Maybe you understood an entire podcast episode. That's a big deal.
Keep going. Every small step adds up.
So to wrap up, improving your English listening skills is a journey. Know your challenges, apply smart strategies, use great resources, and stay consistent.
And most importantly, have fun with it. Listening opens up a whole new world of English.
Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with your friends.
See you next time on Everyday English Practice. Bye.
Bye.